Let me give you some tricks of how to spin in the context of martial art. So here is basically a conservation of angular momentum. This is torque dot time. Most of the time, for simplicity, we can consider like for the current time, you only have constant constant torque dot time. Like you can produce certain amount of angular momentum, and this is a mass, and this is the distance of the mass from the center of the spin, which is very important that I will illustrate. And then dot omega. Omega is angular velocity, or can be stated as how fast one spin. So based on this argument, you can tell that the bigger the, so if this is a constant, the mass is constant, the mass doesn't change, then the further the distance from the center of the rotation, the slower the angle you spin. Take an example. Here is a dumbbell. You will take more effort spin this way than spin this way. You can see the distance of the mass from the center of the spin is smaller spinning this way than spinning this way. The same idea apply to the martial art. If you spin like this, it take more effort. If you spin like this, it take less effort. So that's why most of the spinning kick we have is turn and then expand. Instead of just doing this. Sorry, this is really small space. I don't want to bump into anything. And also, some people start doing some kicks like. Then people think overwind it, and then winding it back, or actually adding more torque. It's not the case, because you consume part of the torque to going back to this position, so you waste it from going here to here. This valuable torque can be used to give you an even faster spin. So this also makes you slower. See, I stopped here. If I just do no overturn, I stopped here. So the torque. So you don't want to waste the torque first, because most of the time the human generate the same amount of torque if you put same amount of effort. So you don't want to waste it. So don't overturn. First, don't overturn. Second, try to confine your body into as close to the center of the rotation as possible to increase the rotation speed. At the time of a strike, you can, of course, extend it. Just like there's a hook kick, a back kick. You just just keep the kicking leg with you all the time, and then extend when you need to kick. So that's to take home message. Don't just, you want to turn this way, don't do this and then turn. And second is try to keep your mass as close to your center of mass as possible. Of course, when you need it to stretch and kick, then of course you need to extend the mass to reach to the target. Yes?